Good morning, BNI. I welcome you to another episode of BNI Buddy, where we get to meet our BNI friends one to one. I, your host and host Divjot, have the honor to host my very dear friend, Dr. Harshdeep Singh. Sir is the owner and the chief dentist at Finis Dental and Cosmetic Clinic in Mohali. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Divjot ma'am. It's always a wonderful feeling meeting you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So to begin with, I want to know what is your BNI's category?
So my BNI category is dentist, and chiefly I am an endodontist by my degree, if you may say. But otherwise, I specialize in cosmetic work as well, which means I beautify your smiles. So that is one thing that I do as my hobby as well.
That's wonderful. Of course, dentist, I understand teeth, but what are your USPs here at Finis?
So Finesse was actually established with a vision that we wanted to create a setup which is one of the best in Tri-City, and it was supposed to be, and it is a one-stop solution for all your cosmetic needs. Chiefly, we do a lot of smile designings over here. We take care of your facial profiles, we correct your facial profiles, we straighten your teeth, we beautify your smiles, as well as we have a cosmetic section which is dedicated to beautifying your face as well. So that's the whole idea behind Finesse.
I was surprised that there was a laughing gas chamber here.
Yeah.
So can you guide our audience about the various features that you have added to your clinic?
Yes, ma'am. So, laughing gas or nitrous oxide, it is a concept which we usually see in the West, जहाँ पे हमारे को sedative dentistry होती है. अब क्या है कि West में, since you know, थोड़े से obviously sensitive भी होते हैं, but apart from that, there are children which are scared of getting their dental treatment done. और मैंने जनरली देखा कि मैं ये लेकर आया था बच्चों को केटर करने के लिए, बट आई वॉज रियली सरप्राइज्ड कि एडल्ट पेशेंट्स भी कितने एंशियस होते हैं कई बार अपने डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. एंड आई हैव गॉटन एन अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्स विद देम एज वेल, जो कहते थे कि हम डेंटिस्ट की चेयर पे बैठ ही नहीं सकते. दे आर गेटिंग देयर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव ट्रीटमेंट डन. So our setup in Mohali here focuses on it's basically a centralized conscious sedation setup. That means जैसे हॉस्पिटल में आप देखते हो कि ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रस की पाइपलाइंस जाती हैं, डिफरेंट गैसेस होती हैं. So we have a centralized, each operatory centralized with that supply, and we can cater to multiple operatories at a single time. So that way, yes, we are the first in Mohali to do that.
And you keep adding on new feathers to your hat. Can you guide me more about them?
So yes, ma'am. As a dentist, and I would say as somebody who's really focused on his growth on an individual as well as a team growth, we love to innovate and bring whatever is the best throughout the world at our practice. So we have it has been a while since we have actually delved into the digital aspect of things. So digital dentistry is something which is coming up really high. And I'm surprised there are not many patients who know about it. आजकल क्या है कि आपका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करने से पहले we can digitally through AI and through those amazing softwares we can simulate everything, right from your smiles to how your tooth will look like, what is the color that you want, what is the shape of your teeth. वो आपकी actually आपके face के ऊपर कैसे लगेंगे. अगर आपके दांत टेढ़े मेढ़े हैं, that can be simulated, and your smile before even starting the treatment आपको वो पहले ही पता लग सकती है. So this is one thing that we are really
definitely
specializing.
And sir, I must appreciate this is the first ever dental clinic that has a dedicated video and photo studio.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the purpose of this, if I may ask?
Thank you so much, ma'am. This is one acknowledgement that I regularly receive from our fellow BNI members as well as all my patients as well. कि you have a dedicated space for this photo video setup. So like I said कि जब तक आप कुछ दिखा नहीं सकते, आप उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकते. That is what I firmly believe in. Until unless you cannot document it, you cannot correct it. So this photo video studio is completely dedicated around actually documenting each and every detail of your face, your smile, and all the other minor and tidbit aspects. So that ways we can maneuver very carefully, and we can tie up with our lab, and we can actually monitor the progress of the treatment at each and every step. And also the patients are also very happy. हमारे clients हैं वो बहुत खुश होते हैं अपने before and afters देख के. So that ways, this is the whole vision about this photo video studio, and that is why I am actually, moving forward in this direction.
Incredible.
Yes, ma'am.
I love your passion for your field, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I now want to ask that there are a few core values that we follow here in BNI. Which is your favorite core value?
So, apart from the wonderful core values that BNI has already given us, one of the core values that I really actually resonate with is tradition and innovation. So that ways I would say ours is a very hands-on field. That means dentistry बड़ा एक personal field है. Your mouth and your face is a very personal space. So that ways there have been a lot of traditions and traditional dentistry which has been followed through the years. जो core values हैं वो change नहीं हो सकती. But apart from that, we have to really innovate. We have to see कि दुनिया कहाँ जा रही है. It is moving towards AI. It is moving towards digital. So we need to keep the traditions right there, especially the core fundamentals like your building relationships and actually the hospitality side of things. And apart from that, we need to keep innovating so that we just keep moving forward and bring out the best that we can for our clients.
That's wonderful. We at BNI have this Parampara, Pratishtha and Anushasan.
Yes.
That is givers gain.
Yeah.
So we, the BNI community that is connecting with you through this podcast, would want to know what is it that we can do for you, sir? Who are the right connects for you?
As we know, BNI is already present in around 79, I would say 80 countries. ठीक है? And there are so many members who are out there who are in Western countries especially. अब सबके कोई ना कोई relatives हैं. So everybody has friends over there who are actually looking for a comprehensive dental treatment जो कि Western standards के हिसाब से हो, following those same guidelines and protocols, but obviously Indian side of things so as when it comes to the expenditure part of it. So we are, I feel we are at the बिल्कुल the right combination of West and our tradition. And especially considering the fact that we are just 5 minutes from our airport. Apart from that, we have amazing connectivity. We are right on the ground floor. We have wheelchair access on our entire facility. So I would say apart from our NRI and our foreign friends, the right connects would be the owners or the management of prominent schools and universities in the Tri-City area. Anybody who's into actually print media, major tabloids, we would really love to get connected to them. And good connects into your Hindi as well as Punjabi film industry, I would say. Those would be great connects because those are one people who are really conscious about their looks as well as their smile. Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
That's wonderful. So I hope through this podcast, sir is able to find the right connects.
Yes, ma'am.
With this, I'd want to ask, what are the few tips and tricks that you'd want to offer to our audience?
So, dentistry में there are a lot of misconceptions, I would say. कई तो लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग इतनी है कि बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है कि लोगों को समझाना. सबसे बड़ी मिसकंसेप्शन है अगर दर्द नहीं हो रहा हमें आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई वुड से कि लाइक एवरी गुड थिंग इन लाइफ योर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो कैन कंपाउंड विद टाइम. डेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स को कंपाउंड होते टाइम नहीं लगता. तभी एक कहते हैं ना, अगर आप डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना शुरू करो तो आप कभी रुक नहीं पाते, बिकॉज वी गो एट अ टाइम जब एक्चुअली सब गड़बड़ हो चुका होता है. सो जितनी जल्दी हम ये प्रिवेंटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ थिंग्स को समझेंगे, जितनी जल्दी हम अपने यंगर जनरेशन के साथ कनेक्ट होंगे, उनको समझाएंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अ डेंटल विजिट, उतनी जल्दी उनके अच्छी हैबिट्स बनेंगी. एंड दोज हैबिट्स विल कंटिन्यू थ्रू आउट लाइफ बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट बीन टॉट दीज थिंग्स. Our educational system sadly is such which does not teach us the major things about our health as well as how to maintain it. So this is one thing I would say कि हमारे को एक तो बच्चों के अंदर और अपने साथ वालों को भी we should keep guiding them. Secondly, there's one more thing, there's one more misconception that I would really like to address, which is कि दांत साफ कराने से दांत हिल जाएंगे, सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे. इससे कहते हैं ना, I wish I had a dime for every time I heard that statement. I would be a millionaire. So this is one thing that I would say कि सबको इस चीज़ को अपने दिमाग से निकाल देना चाहिए. आपकी अगर सेंसिटिविटी होती है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा नहीं होती, वो इसलिए होती है क्योंकि आप दांत साफ नहीं करवाते. क्योंकि जहाँ पे आपका गम होना चाहिए था वहाँ पे अब आपका प्लाक है, और जब वो प्लाक हटता है तब आपकी रूट एक्सपोज हो जाती है. उस रूट के ऊपर ठंडा लगता है, गर्म लगता है. आप जितनी जल्दी इसको पहले आराम से साफ करवाते रहोगे उतनी आपका रूट और टिश्यू डाउन नहीं जाएगा. सो दैट इज हाउ यू नीड टू रियली कीप क्लीनिंग इट टाइम एंड अगेन सो दैट योर गम्स डोंट गो डाउन. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, दांत नीचे जाते रहेंगे, हिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे, निकालने पड़ेंगे. सो एज सिंपल एज दैट.
I see many parents saying that the child has milk teeth and they're anyways going to go away.
Okay.
So they don't get their child's tooth treated.
Okay.
So how do you like to break this misconception?
See, ma'am, I would say this is one of the biggest misconceptions. अब सारे कहते हैं कि दूध के दांत है, निकल ही जाने हैं. बट हमने कितने ऑन अ रेगुलर इंटरवल वी कीप सीइंग क्लाइंट्स, यहाँ स्पेशली बच्चे जो 3.5-4 साल के हैं, who have multiple root canals to do, एंड वो भी उन दांतों में है जो कि उनके 11 से 12 साल की एज में शेड होने हैं। तो एक बच्चा 8 से 9 साल उन सड़े दांतों से खाना नहीं खा सकता। दिस इज़ वॉट लीड्स टू मैल न्यूट्रिशन। बच्चे खाना नहीं खाएंगे, मदर्स कंप्लेन करती हैं कि बच्चे खाना नहीं खाते, वीक हो रहे हैं, बट उनको ये बच्चा एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा आपको कि मैं खाना खा नहीं पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उसको समझाना नहीं आ रहा। वो खाना अवॉइड करेगा बट आपको बताएगा नहीं कि मेरे को दांत की वजह से प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज वो कम्युनिकेशन उनका अभी तक उतना बना नहीं है। सो आई वुड से कि एक बच्चों के अंदर एज सून एज द करेक्ट टाइम टू actually see your dentist is as soon as the first tooth erupts in your mouth, which means at the age of around 6.5 to 7 months. Ideally that is the age, that is what the book says, but I would say your regular treatment, your regular checkups for your children should start at 1.5 years of age, should continue at every 6 months. एक बार वो सारे teeth at a proper angle erupt कर गए, you will probably not face any problems throughout your life. So habits, good habits especially, as soon as they are inculcated and strengthened and fortified, they will actually compound into great habits over a period of time.
Before we end, I'd want to know that how did you come up with this name Finis?
So yes, finesse. So finesse के पीछे story ये थी कि I was actually searching for a word to name my clinic according to our vision and the way we work. So हमारा ये नहीं है कि भाई आए कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं. Every treatment, every tooth, every surface is treated with the utmost respect, with the utmost care and attention. So that attention to detail, वो एक जिसे कहते हैं मीनाकारी का काम, उसको फिनेस कहते हैं,
बारीकी का काम।
तो बारीकी का काम। थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। आई हैव अ स्मॉल विश कि हम ऐसे ही अपने प्रोफेशन में ग्रो करते रहें एंड आने वाले 10 साल में BNI मेंबर बन के ग्रो करते रहें और यही दोबारा मिले।
यस मैम, थैंक यू।
With this, I sign off, and I personally would like to thank my media partner, Video Doctors, and my location partner, Finis Dental and Cosmetic Clinic. Thank you so much.